Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tosh, and if you're new, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the uploads that I do this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Okay, so you guys probably noticed that I got braces. Yeah, I have to get jaw surgery. Today, we went and toured AMLI, so AMLI Apartments. They have a brand new building. I'm gonna make a whole playlist for the AMLI Apartments so you guys can see all of their locations. I believe there's 4 now. They're still in the process of building this one, but I feel like it's actually in a really good area. So let's use this opportunity to hop into maps really quick and see exactly where it's located.
Like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. I feel like they're in a really good spot. Really anything along Broadway. You are so close to the downtown area. Literally, you just have to take Broadway all the way up and it takes you straight there pretty much. Zooming in, you guys have so many things close by. There's a lot of parks and like green patches as you guys can see. There's a Home Depot here. They're also close to the mall, but along Broadway, like there are, there's bars, there's clubs, there's stuff like that. And then there's a lot of restaurants. There are like Postino, so delicious. Punch Bowl Social is a really popular place. I heard Dave's Hot Chicken is mediocre, but I can't say for myself because I've never tried it. Going up Broadway just a little bit over here, there is a Trader Joe's if you like Trader Joe's. If not, there's a King Soopers over here as well.
We saw 2 different units today, one bedroom and then 1 2-bedroom. There's 2 different color schemes. There's a light scheme and then a dark scheme. You guys are going to get to see both. We're going to go over the light scheme because it's the 1-bedroom, so that means less talking and listening to me and less brace face. If you want to see more of their floor plans, definitely go to their website that I have linked down below and check out the floor plans for yourself. They have 7 levels. The second half is still being built, so she said that'll probably be done around June. The first apartment, like I said, is a 1-bedroom, and honestly, it was really cute. I liked it a lot. I just prefer the darker color scheme. I don't know. I'm a dark soul. So this one is the light color scheme. Right when you walk in, you have your kitchen with kind of like I hate braces so much. You have this like long island, but it's not really an island. It's connected to the wall, and you could put chairs against there, but there's nowhere for your legs. I always like something to be hovering above my legs. But there is a little like table spot at the end that's like built in for you. I need to stop saying like, I'm so annoying. The countertops are like this really pretty white marble. I will say that I really like the countertops in here for sure. And the backsplash. It's like a really pretty white, like pearlescent backsplash. Sorry, I paused because I was like, I said like again. You have the black fixtures in all of the units, no matter the color scheme. And then you also have stainless steel appliances. You guys, this refrigerator is honestly the coolest fridge I've ever seen. You can literally connect to apps. I'm sure some of you already have cool fridges like that. The fridge has a camera, so if you're like grocery shopping and you need to check and see if you like have an ingredient in your fridge, you can literally do that. Isn't that so cool? I've never had a fridge like that in my life. And then also you have so much storage within all of these cabinets. The bathroom is also really gorgeous. You have white tiles for the backsplash in the shower that go all the way up. Black fixtures again. I like the size of the vanity. I will say that I wish the mirror was a little bit bigger or like full size. However, I do like that it's small enough and fits in the middle so that it's not like off center or anything, because we've definitely seen some of that before. Connected to that, you have your closet, which is pretty basic. It's honestly decent. There's not a lot of shelving, but there are above the 2 hanging spots, and then you could probably fit a dresser in there. So I guess you could use the top of the dresser as like a shelf. The bedroom is a pretty good size. You have enough room for your full setup. You can have your nightstands, a king bed, I believe, a dresser, and probably even like a little desk or work area if you needed. The The windows in here are also really nice. You have two, one big one and then like one skinny one. I like the way it looks. You have a lot of natural light coming in, and I also feel like the windows take up most of the wall, which I also love. Like who could complain about that? You also have a washer and dryer in all of the units inside this complex. Not all of the units have balconies, but this one does have a balcony, and the size of the balcony is pretty good. I believe all of the balcony sizes are the exact same. Don't quote me on that. You'll have to look into that yourself. I believe she sent me a PDF of the fees, and if you want, you can pause the video, write the fees down, or just take a screenshot, crop me out. Not all of the amenities are completed, but continue watching this video to see the couple of amenities that they do have available for you, and the second bedroom, which was the 2-bedroom, and it's the darker color scheme. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my braces. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday for why I have to get jaw surgery. Bye.
You never know until it happens. Ain't a thing you see coming a mile away. But suddenly lightning somehow